River and Sia here, and today we're going to explore some fun ways to make your Disneyland trip in 2020 a memorable experience. We know this is a unique time in the world, and Disneyland may not be exactly what you're used to when you go back after the COVID-19 outbreak. That's why we're going to give you 5 fun ideas to make your trip a great experience, considering the current circumstances.
Number 1. Get a fun mask. With new rules and regulations in place, you'll need to have a face mask before you enter the park. There are a lot of Disney-themed face mask options online right now through websites like Etsy, but we recommend also buying a mask directly from Disneyland once you head to Main Street.
And make sure to bring a couple extra masks in case yours get wet or lost. ShopDisney.com has already begun selling face masks online, so we expect those same masks will be for sale inside the parks after the Disneyland Resort reopens. If you purchase one of these Disney face masks upon arrival to the park, you can double it as a souvenir. Number 2. Drink liquids throughout the day. With it being summer, the temperatures will rise and you may get hot under that mask. Make sure you stay hydrated by taking advantage of all the specialty drinks throughout the park.
Drinking water is first and foremost top priority. There will be water stations throughout the park and places to refill your personal water bottle, so keep water on you at all times.
But there are other whimsical treats to indulge in, like the flavored slushies from Coke Corner on Main Street, or the mint julep from the Mint Julep Bar in New Orleans Square. Or try the pineapple, orange, and lemon flavored slushie called the Jungle Julep from the Bengal Barbecue in Adventureland. There's something for everyone.
Number 3. Try something new. With the uncertainty of how long lines will be, or even how they will embark guests onto rides, we suggest going with the flow, or even changing things up completely. Try out some rides that you've never been on before.
We tend to have our favorite attractions that are a must-do whenever we go to Disneyland. But maybe this time you can consider going on a few rides you usually never go on, maybe in a corner of the park you don't frequently visit.
For us, the ride that was never on our radar was Casey Jr. Circus Train. But once we rode it, it was completely unexpected and so much fun, so we challenge you to try something new. Number 4. Ways to cool off. You can cool down by doing what you do best, going on rides. Some attractions are obvious options, like Splash Mountain or Grizzly River Run.
But fast rides are also cooling because the wind whips around you on all sides. If you have a need for speed, but also want to cool off, check out Space Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, Indiana Jones, and Incredicoaster.
And there are some slower, maybe not so obvious attractions where you can beat the heat too. Pirates of the Caribbean and It's a Small World are great rides for relaxing. Because they're both long boat rides surrounded by water and take place indoors, they are the perfect place for you to escape the sun and get a little air conditioning in the process.
Number 5. Utilize the Disneyland Photopass.
The Disney Photopass allows you to download photos you've taken in the park, from rides, attractions, dining locations, magic spots, or anything the Disney photographers have taken of you while you're in the park.
Why not capture this unique time in history and get a picture of yourself on all the rides while wearing a face mask? Photos of yourself masked on all the major attractions will be something unique you can say you experienced that not everyone else got to do. And then you can be a part of Disneyland history.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.